I couldn't let summer pass without bringing you a chocolate ice cream as well. This is the last one for this season, I promise. Very smooth and creamy because, as I was saying in the previous videos, fat plus sugar equals creaminess, so it prevents the formation of ice crystals, and this dark chocolate also cuts down on the sweetness of the condensed milk. I think it's the best one out of the ice creams I've made. Hi, I'm Robert, and today's recipe will give us, as you've already gotten used to, about 1 kilogram of ice cream. I won't tell you how many ingredients this ice cream has, because last time there were all sorts of debates, whether it has 2, 3 or 5. I'll let you count them yourselves. And we start, again, just as simply, with 500 grams of heavy cream that I've put in the bowl of a stand mixer, and we're going to whip it to medium peaks. We put a can of condensed milk in a bowl, not like this, but like this. Over the condensed milk, we're going to add 30 grams of cocoa, sifted, so we don't get any lumps. Over the condensed milk and cocoa, we pour 200 grams of chocolate that I've melted. I'm using dark chocolate with 55% cocoa. If you want a less sweet taste, you can also use darker chocolate, but I find that at 55% cocoa, the flavor is very balanced, and I don't feel the need for the chocolate to be any darker than that. Of course, the darker the chocolate, the firmer the ice cream will be when cold, because darker chocolate is harder. And we mix everything together here with a spatula. After that, we fold in the whipped cream in about 2 stages, using a larger spatula, mixing gently so the mixture stays a bit airy. The ice cream is practically ready. We just need to put it in a freezer-safe container. Put it in the freezer and that's it. At least 6 hours in the freezer, and if you want, you can add some chopped dark chocolate on top or even inside for an extra bit of texture. With this, the 2025 ice cream season has come to an end. For more recipes like this, don't forget to give a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll also be waiting for you on Instagram with lots of useful tips.